If you're looking for a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, then you've come to the right place. It has a V8 flex fuel engine with a 6-speed automatic electronic transmission with overdrive. The 6-speaker sound system will allow you to listen to Sirius XM available radio along with a CD player. You can even start this truck up before you leave your house, thanks to the remote vehicle start. This vehicle has electronic stability control and braking assist, along with a low tire pressure warning gauge. It's even passed our 172-point inspection and is more than ready to hit the road. Come on down today and take it on a free 48-hour test drive.